नमस्ते। हमेशा खुश रहो बिटियाएं। Myself JVN Dr. Archana Verma, MD Homeo, Assistant Professor in Department of Homeopathic Surgery, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women University, Jaipur. Now, today we are starting with new topic, that is AIDS. First, for introduction of AIDS. AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency disease. It is a disease caused by retrohuman immunodeficiency virus and characterized by profound immunosuppression that lead to opportunity infection, secondary neoplasm, and neurological manifestation. The acquired immunodeficiency syndrome (AIDS) was first recognized in 1981 in USA. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention reported the unexplained occurrence of pneumocystic erosive pneumonia in 5 previously healthy homosexual men in Los Angeles, and Purposis sarcoma with or without P. erosive pneumonia in 26 previously healthy homosexual men in New York and Los Angeles. Now, prevalence. HIV prevalence estimate prevalence is a number of people living with HIV/AIDS in given year. At the end of 2003, the estimate 1,39,000 to 1,185,000 persons in the United States were living with HIV/AIDS, with 24 to 27% undiagnosed and unaware of their HIV infection. In 2008, CDA estimated the approximately 56,300 people were newly infected with HIV. In 2006, the most recent year that data are available, or half 53% of these new infections occur in gay and bisexual men. African and American men and women were also strongly affected and were estimated to have an incidence rate then was 7 times greater than the incidence rate among whites. Now, etiology of AIDS. AIDS is caused by HIV, a human retrovirus. The why human retrovirus called? Because the RNA is converted in DNA, the presence of reverse transcription. So called the human retrovirus. There are two types, HIV-1 and HIV-2, which are genetically different but is related form. HIV first is most common type associated with AIDS in US, European and Central Africa. HIV second causes similar disease in West Africa and India. HIV second is transmitted less efficiently than HIV first. Now, epidemiology. The male and female ratio, the female is more prominent than male. It occurs all age group and ethnic groups. All area of country are affected. About 2 million adult and 5 lakh children in USA are HIV positive. The male ratio is 1:1 and female 1:8. In some country, the inner area is 50% of male are HIV positive. AIDS is now the second leading cause of death for all men aged 25 to 24 years. Now, risk factor. Anyone of any age, race, sex, or sexual orientation can be infected with HIV. having unprotected sex with multiple partner. Next, it risks whether heterosexual, homosexual, or bisexual. Unprotected sex means having sex without using a new latex or polyurethane condom every time. Have unprotected sex with someone who is HIV positive. Having another sexual transmitted disease such as syphilis, herpes, chlamydia, gonorrhea, bacterial vaginosis. Share needle during intravenous drug use. Receive a blood transfusion or blood products before 1985. Have a fewer copies of gene called CCL3L1 that help fight HIV infection. Newborns or nursing infants who mothers tested positive for HIV but did not receive treatment also are, are at the high risk. Most dangerous sexual practice, anal intercourse. Recent evidence that HIV can be transmitted by oral sex. If the patient has AIDS today, most likely homo and bisexual men. If recently become HIV positive, most likely IV drug abuser. Faster growing method for HIV transmission, heterosexual contact, especially for blacks or his, Hispanics. Heterosexual transmission is easier from man to woman than from woman to man. Risk for acquiring for men is greater is contact occurring during menstruation. Next, uncircumscribed men are most likely to be seropositive and contact HIV during sex. HIV transmission rate risk from single sexual encounter with man who is not a member of high risk group. 1 is 5 million. Risk from single encounter with man who is a number of risk high risk group. 1 in 20 to 1 in 2. Needle stick with HIV positive blood. 1 in 100 to 1 in 1000. Average is 1 in 25. Seroconversion from blood transfusion 2 of 3. If mother is HIV, 100% of children will be test positive at birth. About 20% of these will remain HIV positive after 1 year. Breastfeeding increased transmission rate. AGT reduced risk by half to about 10%. AGT plus C-section reduced transmission rate to 5%. Nevirapine drugs, if given during labor to mother and to child after birth, is cut rate of 10%. Now, structure of AIDS. HIV is a typical retrovirus with a small RNA genomes 9300 base pair. It is a spherical and containing nucleocapsid core surrounded by lipid bilayer or envelope derived from host cell membrane. The viral genomes encode 3 major open reading frames. GAG encodes a polyprotein that is a process to release major structure proteins of virus. Now second, Pol encodes 3 important enzymes are RNA dependent DNA polymerase or reverse transcripted with RNase H. Proteases and integrase. Now third, involve in codes for large transmembrane envelope. Third is involved in code for large transmembrane envelope proteins responsible for cell binding and entries. Several small genes encode regulatory proteins that enhance vision production of compact host defense. Now in this picture show the जो एड्स वायरस होता है वो किस शेप का होता है, स्फेरिकल शेप का होता है, एंड जो इसकी जो आउटर मोस्ट लेयर होती है उसको वो लिपिड प्रोटीन या लिपिड मेम्ब्रेन जिसे बोलते हैं, वो ये क्या कहते हैं, इस वायरस को एनवेलप करने का काम करती है। और ये किससे ड्राइव होती है, ये ड्राइव फ्रॉम होस्ट सेल। नाउ इसमें कुछ स्पाइक्स भी जो ये दिख रहे हैं इनको क्या बोलते हैं, स्पाइक्स बोलते हैं। जो इसका हेड होता है ये 120 प्रोटीन से बना होता है, और जो इसका रिमेनिंग पार्ट होता है वो 41 प्रोटीन से होता है। तो इसमें ये 120 प्रोटीन से एनवलप होता है, और जो हेड तो 120 प्रोटीन से एनवलप होता है, एंड जो इसका रिमेनिंग पार्ट है नीचे का वो किससे प्रोटीन 41 से एनवलप होता है। देन इसके बाद में इसकी जो इनर लेयर होती है उसको मैट्रिक्स या वायरस प्रोटीन भी बोलते हैं, और ये किससे बना होता है, प्रोटीन 17 से। देन इसकी जो नेक्स्ट लेयर होती है मोस्ट इनर लेयर वो कैप्सुलस प्रोटीन होती है, और ये प्रोटीन 24 से फॉर्म होती है। और इसमें अंदर की साइड अपने को 2 स्टैंड ऑफ आरएनए शो हो रहे हैं, जो क्या एवरी जो 2 स्टैंड होते हैं आरएनए के, और हर आरएनए का जो स्टैंड होता है वो क्या करता है, 19 जीन्स को कोड करने की एबिलिटी रखता है। और इसमें कुछ एंजाइम्स भी होते हैं, जैसे इसमें एक ही एंजाइम शो कर रहा है, रिवर्स ट्रांसक्रिप्शन, या और भी एंजाइम्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं जैसे प्रोटीनियस। तो ये एंजाइम इसमें प्रेजेंट होते हैं। तो ये क्या है, स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एड्स। ठीक है, तो नाउ this session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Now in next class, continue the ads. Thank you.